How to change Instagram story from close friends to public. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and today I will tell you how you can easily change the privacy of the story from close friends to the public in the app Instagram. Everything is very simple, you just need to follow me step by step to avoid any mistakes. For the starters, go to the Instagram app and imagine that you have posted a story for close friends, but want it to become public. For this you need to do the following. To be seen by more people, you need to add as many people to your list close friends. This can be done via the option of three stripes, which is in the upper right corner of your personal profile page. After you go there, scroll down and click on the close friends option and choose as many people as possible. Then press continue, and that's it. Unfortunately, this is the only way to change the privacy of the story in the app Instagram. But also you can delete the story and add it again, only already on the public level. That's all. I hope it was helpful for you. Thanks for watching.